CFDs, or contracts for difference, allow traders to speculate on the markets without taking ownership of the underlying asset. Traders can use CFDs for a wide range of markets, including Forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks, indices, and commodities, from a single account. When trading CFDs, a trader will open a position in a specific market, for example, buying a gold CFD. If the gold price rises, the trader can close the CFD position to turn a profit. However, if the gold price falls, when the CFD trade is closed, it will be for a loss. One benefit of CFD trading is the ability to speculate on both rising and falling markets. If the trader thinks the price of gold will fall, they can go short a gold CFD. If the price falls, the trader stands to benefit, while if the price rises, the trader will lose out. CFDs are quoted in the same currency and typically have the same trading hours as the underlying market. There are two costs associated with CFD trading. The first is the spread, which is the difference between the price available to buy and sell. The second is called the swap, or rollover, which is an adjustment to your P&L based on interest rates for holding the trade overnight. The amount of these costs varies with each trade, but is clearly displayed on the trading platform before placing the trade. CFDs often receive preferable tax treatment, such as no stamp duty. But remember, taxes vary according to jurisdiction and individual circumstances. Using leverage to trade on margin, traders can open CFD positions with a smaller initial investment. This makes CFDs one of the more cost-effective ways to trade because the spare capital can be deployed into other trades. However, trading on margin also adds risk. It amplifies the effect of price changes on the trader's account balance. For inexperienced traders, this means an increased risk of losing the entire balance. Traders should ensure they have a thorough understanding of the products, trading platform, and the risks involved before beginning to trade. To practice trading CFDs, open a demo trading account. Thanks for watching.